Hi, I'm Addie, and this is the BioCritical essay presentation. The author I'm analyzing is Shel Silverstein. Why I chose him was because his work is very simplistic as well as meaningful, and he made himself stand out among the writing world through his ability to make his work unique using a variety of different artistic talents, and through those skills projected different messages and ideas. A quick overview of Shel Silverstein. He was born September 25th, 1930, and passed away May 10th, 1999. He originally was planning on growing up to be a good baseball player, but things changed and didn't quite work out, which shifted over to him having a passion for writing. He then later was deployed to Korea to serve in the U.S. Army, influencing him to publish his first book based off of his experience. He publishes poems, books, songs, and cartoons. He also is a composer of folk songs and has written numerous musical pieces. His most popular books are The Giving Tree, Where the Sidewalk Ends, A Light in the Attic, Falling Up, and The Missing Piece. He's won numerous awards for his work, including Grammy Awards. The critical response towards Shel Silverstein was that he was able to express himself as someone who had insight on children's fears, peeves, and sense of silliness, as well as effective use of humor within children's poetry. He kept his narratives very simplistic, and his books were interpreted to be sad yet humorous, allowing his audience to get a laugh out of it. He was recognized for multiple talents, and several of Shel Silverstein's books emphasize the idea of being yourself and carrying a positive influence in society. His work was always accompanied by black and white illustrations that were either interpreted as amusing or rather morbid, I guess, in a way. These illustrations are what helped readers interpret his poems better. So for the critical analysis, the concept of feminism is conveyed through a very deceptively simple narrative structure within The Giving Tree. So example 1 would be power. So oftentimes women will do anything for male validation or attention, and in this book the tree is desperate for the boy's attention, and through a feministic lens it shows the tree, who is a woman, and the boy, who is a man, taking advantage of her, knowing she will do anything for him. Example 2 is used. So the tree is being taken advantage of by a boy who knows she will continue to provide no matter the circumstances. And so the boy rejects everything from her besides the things he needs so he can be happy. And in a more feministic lens, this demonstrates the way women often are taken advantage of by men, who always continue to ensure his happiness and needs. Example 3 is mind, body, and life. So oftentimes when women transition into motherhood, they are expected to sacrifice themselves, meaning their body and mind, for their children. And being a mother is when you somewhat learn that your life is no longer yours, but also your child's. And so it demonstrated the notions of being a mother and how a mother, you are expected to sacrifice yourself. So not to wrap up, and in The Giving Tree, is where the tree's maternal behaviors puts an emphasis on the feministic lens by the way she approached her relationship with the boy.